Hello and welcome to our channel. In this video we will learn how to convert decimal to binary. Binary is a base 2-number system, meaning it only uses 2 digits, 0 and 1. Decimal, on the other hand, is a base 10-number system that uses 10 digits, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. In this video, we'll show you how to convert decimal numbers to binary using a step-by-step guide and 2 examples. To convert a decimal number into binary, we need to divide it by 2 until we reach 0. We'll write down the remainder of each division, starting from the bottom. So for example 1, we have to convert 13 to binary. Let's convert the decimal number 13 to binary. Now, we will divide 13 by 2 and the quotient will be 6 with the remainder being 1. Again dividing 6 by 2 we get 3 and the remainder is 0. Again dividing 3 by 2 we get 1 as the quotient and the remainder is 1. And now 1 divided by 2 is 0 and the remainder is 1. Now that we have the remainders, we need to write them in reverse order to get the binary equivalent. Reverse order means from bottom to top. By doing this we get the binary equivalent of 13, which is 1101 with base 2. We can also add leading zeros, if necessary. If the binary number we get has fewer digits than we need, we can add leading zeros to make it the correct length. For example, if we need an 8-bit binary number, we can add leading zeros to the front of the binary number we got from the previous steps. Now for example 2, we have to convert 55 to binary. Let's convert the decimal number 55 to binary. Now, we will divide 55 by 2 and the quotient will be 27 with the remainder being 1. Again dividing 27 by 2 we get 13 as the quotient and the remainder is 1. Now, we will divide 13 by 2 and the quotient will be 6 with the remainder being 1. Again dividing 6 by 2 we get 3 and the remainder is 0. Again dividing 3 by 2 we get 1 as the quotient and the remainder is 1. And now 1 divided by 2 is 0 and the remainder is 1. The remainders are 1, 1, 1, 0, 1, and 1. So the binary equivalent of 55 is 110111. In this tutorial, you learned how to convert decimal numbers to binary using a step-by-step guide and 2 examples. Remember, the process involves dividing the decimal number by 2, writing down the remainder of each division in reverse order, and adding leading zeros if necessary. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. In the next video, we will discuss how to convert decimal fractions to binary. Thanks for watching.